Communicate important service availability information or provide clear steps for your clients on how to make an online booking by adding a notice to your service request page. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. The Service Request Info panel is a customizable, company-wide message that can appear at the top of the service request screen, and it's perfect for sharing helpful information with clients. For example, you could use it to explain your booking request process, set out your regular service hours, to communicate unusual and exceptional upcoming issues such as bad weather warnings which might affect service. Or you could also simply use it for occasional reminders such as, please remember to update your visit routine. You can update the message as often as you like, making it a flexible tool for keeping clients informed, whether it's about seasonal hours, special announcements, or quick reminders. Adding or updating your client portal service request notice is super easy. Simply navigate to the Admin tab, then select Settings, Service Requests, then General. In the Service Request Info panel, add your step-by-step instructions or any other notice you'd like your clients to see in the box provided. In this example, we are adding guidance for how to make a service request. When you're done, click Update to save. Handy hint, if you'd like to copy the instructions we have used, you can find them in our Add a Notice to the Service Request page article, which is linked below. We also recommend you keep your message fairly short so it doesn't take up too much space on the screen. Top tip. If you have enabled service availability controls, you can add or update your service request notice directly from the regular service availability page. Open the Admin and Services menu. Select Service Availability, then the regular page, choose your company, and then click the Service Request Info panel icon. If you want to learn more about service availability controls and how to set them up, watch our How to Use Service Availability Controls video in the Streamlining Your Services video, or click the link provided below. Excellent! You've added a helpful notice to your request services page, giving clients the guidance they need right when they need it. Whether you're sharing instructions, reminders, or important updates, these messages make your client portal clearer, more informative, and easier for clients to use. If you are new to PetSitter Plus and want to learn more about clients requesting services through the client portal, then check out the overview of the client portal video in the Essential First Steps playlist or click on the link below. Plus, learn more about customizing the look of your client portal. Watch our quick portal customization video in the Settings Made Simple playlist or click the link below. You'll find these and plenty more waiting for you in our learning zone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.